o'clock at night. I got a $3 Guido, and I'm gonna walk around and see what the nightlife is after I eat this. So let me go finish this, and let's go see what's going on tonight. So here in Monastiraki, you see the Acropolis behind me over there. It's all lit up, and if you go into this hotel here, A is for Athens, you can go sit up there and have a drink and see the lit up Acropolis, and you can do that probably from 360 as well. So I'm going to take a walk now and see where the bars and clubs and nightlife is around Monastiraki. So it's a pretty full night here tonight, so I'm assuming that the bars and stuff up the street over here are going to be pretty much packed. So here's the entrance for A is for Athens. You can go up to that rooftop. You don't have to be staying here or anything like that. Definitely a thing to check out at least once if you're around here. 7 Times Dance Club. Pretty busy in there. Old-fashioned bar, they got Guinness, my favorite. Yeah, so Monastiraki is cool to hang out in the square, but if you want to have a drink or hang out or meet people, this is probably the place to come to. And you see it's right up the street from Monastiraki. Sporos looks like a old-time classy kind of bar, like a hotel bar or something. Beer time. Forgot which way to go, so I'm going to take one of these routes, see what's up here. So people are eating late out here. They got the Greek band over there playing bouzouki music. You got all these dogs that are very identical hanging out here. Very cool. Check out this place. Wow, it definitely is very lively out here. And so here's this crazy place, Little Kook, and it's all lit up at night. It looks like Alice in Wonderland kind of stuff. And it's kind of, I don't know if it's only pastries or there's food also. But definitely interesting to see at night. And I guess if you have little kids, this is definitely some place to take them to.
I'm trying to think of like. I think it.
Even grown-ups seem to like that place. And so this street leads back to the street that runs past Monastiraki. I forget what the name of it is. So there's Monastiraki behind me, and over here are some pretty big Indian restaurants and whatnot. And I think there's some more bars over here. Looks like they're renovating this old ass building. This is the cut through that usually has a lot of bars open, but I guess for some reason they're mostly closed. It's one of those escape houses or something. Athens Hall of Horrors. So I gotta look up what that means, Athens Hall of Horrors. Is that some kind of, I don't know, haunted house or something? So walking up here brings you right back to Monastiraki. Place looks pretty good. I don't know if it could beat my $2.80 gyro from Just Pizza up the street on Athena. And it's not all glitz and glitter out here. There are definitely a lot of homeless people, drug addicts, all kinds of stuff. So it looks like the crowd over here may be thinning out a little bit. Maybe part of that has to do with the metro stop running, I think, at 12 o'clock on weekdays. So that may be getting people to hit the metro before it shuts down and they have to take a taxi or something like that. So guys, that's a look at Monastiraki and the bars and the clubs in the side streets around it. And this is on a Wednesday night. So if you come Friday or Saturday, it's going to be even more packed than what you saw. So definitely come on out here if you're in the area. Hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.